Welcome back to SG Motormint, and today we are diving into something massive, powerful, and built for people who demand strength without compromise. Imagine a pickup that doesn't just carry loads but carries confidence, dominance, and a road presence that makes everything else look ordinary. That's exactly what the Ford F-Series represents, and in this video, we're going to explore why it continues to rule the world of trucks and why it might just be the ultimate machine for work, lifestyle, and adventure combined. When you first look at the Ford F-Series, especially the latest generation concepts and models, the first feeling you get is authority. It's not trying to impress quietly. It's built to be seen, to be noticed, and to take over any environment it enters. The massive front grille, the bold Ford emblem sitting proudly at the center, and the sharp LED headlamps all come together to create a face that feels powerful even when the engine is off. This is not just design, this is identity. Now let's talk about the road presence. The F-Series is not small, and it doesn't pretend to be. Its muscular body lines run from front to back like they were carved with purpose. Every curve has meaning, every edge has function. Whether it's parked in front of a luxury villa or driving through a dusty construction site, it always fits in and stands out at the same time. That is the rare balance Ford has mastered over generations. Step inside, and the story changes from brute strength to refined comfort. The cabin of the Ford F-Series feels like a modern command center. Soft leather seats, advanced digital displays, and a cockpit designed around the driver make it feel more like a luxury SUV than a traditional pickup. You get a fully digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment screen, and intuitive controls that make driving effortless. It's built for long journeys where comfort matters just as much as capability. But don't let the luxury fool you. Underneath all that comfort is pure engineering muscle. The Ford F-Series has always been known for its powerful engine options, and depending on the variant, you can expect turbocharged performance, hybrid efficiency, or heavy-duty V8 strength. It is designed to tow, haul, and conquer. Whether you are pulling a trailer, carrying construction materials, or going off-road into unpredictable terrain, this truck is engineered to handle it without hesitation. One of the most impressive things about the F-Series is its adaptability. It is not just a work truck anymore. It has evolved into a lifestyle vehicle. People use it for daily commuting, long road trips, off-road adventures, and even luxury travel experiences. It blends practicality with personality in a way very few vehicles can achieve. You can go from a business meeting to a mountain trail without feeling like you are in a completely different machine. Now imagine this truck on a highway. The engine hums with controlled power, the LED headlights cut through the night, and the wide stance keeps it stable even at high speeds. The driving experience is smooth, confident, and surprisingly refined for something so large. That is the engineering brilliance behind the Ford F-Series. It makes power feel easy. Take it off-road, and everything changes again. The suspension adjusts, the tires grip uneven terrain, and the truck becomes a completely different beast. Mud, sand, rocks, steep inclines, it handles them with confidence. This is where the F-Series truly proves its reputation. It is not just about looking tough, it is about being tough in real-world conditions. Inside the cabin during off-road driving, you still feel comfort. The seats support you, the cabin stays quiet, and the technology keeps you informed about terrain, traction, and performance. It's a combination of rugged engineering and intelligent design working together. Now let's talk about technology, because the modern Ford F-Series is not just muscle, it's smart muscle. You get advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and intelligent towing features. Parking a large truck used to be stressful, but now it feels manageable and controlled. Ford has turned complexity into simplicity. Even the lighting system deserves attention. The LED headlights are not just for visibility, they are part of the identity. The signature daytime running lights give the truck a futuristic look, especially at night. When you see it approaching in your rearview mirror, you instantly recognize it. That kind of design language is powerful branding on wheels. Let's not forget about practicality. The cargo bed of the F-Series is built for serious work. It can handle heavy loads, tools, equipment, and anything else you throw at it. With smart tie-down points, durable materials, and optional power outlets, it becomes more than just storage, it becomes a mobile workstation. For business owners, builders, and adventurers, this is a huge advantage. Fuel efficiency and modern hybrid options also bring a new dimension to the F-Series. It is no longer just about raw power, it is about balancing power with responsibility. Hybrid variants offer better mileage without compromising capability, making it suitable for both urban and long-distance driving. Another important aspect is safety. The Ford F-Series is equipped with multiple airbags, reinforced body structure, advanced braking systems, and stability control. Whether you are driving alone or with your family, safety is always prioritized. That's why it is trusted not just by professionals but also by families who want space, strength, and security in one package. Now imagine a cinematic moment. The truck is parked in front of a luxury villa. Golden sunset light reflects off its pearl black paint. The chrome details shine softly. A confident driver steps out, and the scene feels like a lifestyle advertisement. That's the emotional appeal of the Ford F-Series. It doesn't just sell transportation, it sells presence, confidence, and ambition. Even inside city traffic, it commands respect. Smaller vehicles naturally give space. People notice it. It doesn't need loudness, its size and design speak for it. That psychological impact is something only a few vehicles in the world can achieve. For long-distance travelers, the comfort becomes even more valuable. Spacious seating, climate control, noise insulation, and smooth suspension make it ideal for covering hundreds of kilometers without fatigue. It turns long drives into relaxed experiences rather than tiring journeys. Customization is another strong point. Ford offers multiple trims, accessories, and configurations. Whether you want a luxury-focused build or a rugged off-road setup, the F-Series can be tailored to match your personality. That flexibility is why it appeals to such a wide audience across the world. At the end of the day, the Ford F-Series is not just a truck. It is a symbol of capability. It represents people who work hard, travel far, and refuse to compromise on performance or comfort. It is a machine built for those who want everything in one package: power, luxury, technology, and reliability.